Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere. So keywords everywhere is a Chrome extension and also a Firefox extension that helps in keyword research. So there are a lot of keyword research tools out there like the SEMrush, like Ahrefs and all that. But one of the reasons why you would want to go for keyword everywhere is because of the simplicity of usage and also the price. Now, SEMrush is quite expensive for a startup blog, costing around 100 and something dollar per month for the list package, for the list plan. But Keywords Everywhere, on the other hand, costs as low as $1 per month. So I'm going to be exploring how to use keyword everywhere to research for keywords, for long tail keywords, and how to do research for your YouTube videos and so many other stuff. Keyword everywhere support multiple websites, supports over 15 websites in terms of keyword research, statistics, and so on and so forth. So now we're here on the Keywords Everywhere website, which is keywordseverywhere.com, and you can see that they have the Chrome extension and the Firefox extension. And one of the beautiful thing about Keyword Everywhere is that while you're searching for keywords on Google, you can get the statistics, the trend, the keyword difficulty, and everything you're going to need for you to decide whether the keyword is good for you to use on your site or not. So if you go to the pricing page here, you're going to see that the pricing is quite, affordable. And I'm also going to show you how to use the keyword everywhere extension, $1 per month for a very long time, for a year. Like with this plan, paying $12, you can use it for a full year without having to pay again. Before now, until they now set a limit that you cannot use it more than a year, you can actually use it for up to 3 years by optimizing your credit usage. Okay, so now it's cheaper and better for people that are starting out that cannot afford SEMrush of $119 and Ahrefs on the other hand, and other quite expensive keyword research tool. So not going to go far on this because this is just the crash course introduction into keywords everywhere. On our second video on this the episode 2, we're going to delve in more and explain how to set up keyword everywhere, install the extension, get an API key, use the API key to activate, then pay for a particular plan, which will now give you a credit. Because without a credit, you cannot see the statistics. You can not see the statistics for keyword. Keywords might show up, but then again, you won't know. You're going to be blind. You won't know what the statistics of the keyword is, whether they are going to be something you can rank for or not. So that'll be all for this short crash course on keywords everywhere, keyword research extension. In our next video, we're going to explore more. Bye for now.